Why nobody told me that curly wig goes with me so well? We are like this together. Hey mamas, how you guys doing? Hope you're doing good. Today I am going to be reviewing a wig from my friend. Yes, my friend. Her brand name is Change Your Look. If you go on Instagram, you'll find her. I will put the name on here. She's on Instagram, she's on TikTok, she's on YouTube, she's everywhere. I'm going to tag her on this video so you guys can go and check her work out. And I'm not saying this because she's my friend. Her work speak for itself. She's amazing. She's the best hair braider in Manchester. Argue with your mama, I don't care. And also she does make wig, which I will show you guys the one I got. Are you guys ready? No, I don't think you guys ready. Give me a minute. Let's talk about the bag. It just feels like luxury. It is so soft and smooth. As you guys can see, it says Change Your Look. She's everywhere. You guys can find her on Instagram. If you're interested in this hair, just DM her. So we're just gonna open it. It is so cute, so simple. I like it. We're just gonna open it up. We have a wig cap. Moment of truth. Oh my god. Let me put this down. He comes with this net to protect it, which is really good. Right out of the bag, this is what it looks like. It is so full. It is so soft, and it is just gorgeous. She cut it for me because I don't know anything about wig, and this is just actually the first wig I truly fell in love with. Keep wearing it. This is what it look like, and this is what the inside look like. It is so simple. You don't have to glue it down or anything like that, which is really good. I'm gonna put it on for you guys to see. Straight out of the bag, this is what it looking like. I did not put mousse or any styling or anything like that. I am going to buy some curly hair product. I'm actually going to ask her how to maintain this because obviously I don't know anything about wig. But guys, look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh, this is the first time I'm actually loving wearing wig. It's just, I don't know, it just feel like it's my hair. This is so natural, so cute. You're gonna see me wearing this every day. I beg. Do not say, oh Jen, is this the only wig you have? Yes sis, this is the only wig and I'm going to wear it. Okay, so yeah, this wig is gorgeous. I'm only gonna be purchasing curly wig from now on, and obviously it have to be from my friend Da. Where else? She's the best hair supplier in Manchester ever. She does make wig, she braid, she cornrow, any style you see me with that is looking cute, it's her. If it's ugly, just know it's not her. Yeah, this is it. I'm loving this wig. What do you guys think about it? It's such an easy wig to put on as a mom. Just go. No wasting time. You just put it on and then you bounce. It is so good. Let me do one more time of me turning. I love it. What do you guys think about this wig? It looks so cute. I look adorable. And plus, you can turn it this way. Like, you can make it sideways, which is so good. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you will buy this, I would definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10. I'm not saying this because she's my friend. It's just, it's good. As you guys can see, I haven't done anything to the hair and it look good just like that. Can you imagine when I put mousse, just lay down the flyaways, how it will look? It will look good. So yeah, thank you Change Your Look UK for this hair. I love it so much. Thank you for making me pretty, for changing my look. I just look like a baby girl, like expensive auntie. You get it? Being a mother, you don't have to be ugly, okay? You're only gonna be ugly if you want to. This is so cute. I love it. Thank you all. See you all in my next video. Bye.